What is going on? It is middle of March and we're getting snow. This is the craziest winter we've had in Alaska in a long time. Over the last several days, I bet we've received over a foot of snow so far. I mean, look at this. And just last week, it was in the 40s and everything was melting. Normally, I would walk over here and fire up my snowblower, which is right over there. It is a big 28-inch, very powerful track snowblower. Here it is. This thing really moves the snow, and it was perfectly designed for this type of weather, this much snow. However, I'm not gonna do that, because about a week and a half ago, I did something. Like I said, it was so warm out, the driveway just became an actual sheet of ice. It was slipperier than oil on glass. So I fired up the excavator and started scratching at the driveway and breaking up the ice. I'll insert a little video right now of what it looked like after I was done. Now you can see I messed up the driveway pretty good, so it's not good if I fire up the snowblower and try to do that hitting those big clumps of ice and stuff. So I need to fire up the excavator. Let's get over there and get it started. It's gonna take the excavator probably a good 20 minutes to really warm up. Let's go over and see what the bunnies are doing. Hi bunnies, how are you? There's Lola. She loves that spot right there. She's always sitting in it. Hey Ringo, how are you Ringo? Hey Babs, what are you doing Babs? I guess they're not too talkative today. Let's go inside, get warmed up while the excavator warms up. I really need to get this driveway opened up. You never know, I might have to hurry up and leave for some reason, or emergency services might need to get in. So let's get in the excavator and get this driveway opened up. This is what I got done so far. From right down there where the driveway narrows, I got all this cleaned up. That's good enough over there. I need to do more over by my truck, but I'll need to move my truck. And then I need to do a little cleanup right through here, but I got this pretty well cleaned out. I had to stop right now because I need to put some fuel in the excavator. So let's get that done. As you can see, I have the driveway pretty well cleared off. It's nice and wide. It's fairly smooth now, and emergency trucks or whatever can get in and out if need be. So I'm good to go there. And then I also cleared out all this, pushed it over that way. That's all just snow storage area anyways. And then I pushed more over here. My trailer's pretty much blocked in, but I don't need that. That's a summertime trailer. So this is all cleared out. My white truck that normally sits there is getting repaired right at the moment. I pushed all the snow this way, and as you can see, it's kind of rough in here, but that's no big deal. No one parks over here, and I just drive around in a loop like that and then back in, so it's fine. I might smooth it out a little bit, maybe later today or tomorrow or something like that. But right now, we need to get the truck fired up and moved out of there so I can clean out that snow. Should have my gloves on. Ooh, my fingers are getting cold. Ooh. Snow's cold on the fingers. The truck's moved. I'm gonna leave it run so I can defrost the windshield and stuff like that. So now let's fire up the excavator and get it over here and get the snow out of here. That's going to be a wrap on moving snow in this late season snowstorm we got here in Alaska. Thanks for watching, everyone.